Hello and welcome back to Best Case Tutorials. Today we are going to talk about how you would avoid a judicial lien when you are allowed to do so under the bankruptcy code. This is basically about how you enter the information into Best Case software. I'm attorney Lori Kornblum. I will be your guide. I created these tutorials for the paralegal classes at MATC, but you are welcome to use them. So the first thing we're going to do is go into our Best Case software. And I know that on our 2009 Toyota Tundra, we have a judicial lien. The lien is for $250 when we look on it. The Goodwill County Sheriff's Department has entered a judicial lien for $250 on a judgment, and they want to attach the property. Since they just did this last week, they haven't been able to get hold of the property yet. So when we go to the Form 22 means test, we can certainly calculate the payment of the $250 lien, and we would have a balance of 60 months, $4.17. However, they are concerned that the Sheriff's Department is going to seize the property and they want to avoid it. So we go into plan treatment. The normal default in best case is secured pro rata. But what we want to do is we want to do secured avoid lien, and that takes the lien out of the plan. So we click OK, and then we click OK. And then if we go into, we're going to close this out, and then if we go into the Chapter 13 plan and we look at claims, we can look at the Goodwill County Sheriff's Department, and we can see that it's generally pro rata, but then we have a second category which says not in plan. And at this point, that is all we need to do. So that is the end of how we do it. So again, we are going to go back into our creditors holding secured claims, Goodwill County Sheriff's Department. We do the 13 plan treatment, and it says secured avoid lien, and then we say OK, and that is the end.